start doing my theme song again. So I realized that we did add manually the genes that were top genes, but it was months ago. But it was something that was bothering me, so now I'm going to add it to the pathologies data set. So we're just going to go and find it now. And that one is gene summaries added. Here we go. This one right here. I'm just going to do a manual copy and paste. And then we're going to go up here to this one. And we'll just paste it. And we'll open up our RStudio. I'm not going to run everything in this, but I do want to run a few runs. So yeah, I don't want to do all that stuff right there. Yeah, because that one's going to get me kicked off of okay, let's just, where's the right at? Symbols. Oh, yeah, we don't really. Okay. So I just copied and pasted it. Okay, here we'll go to this one right here. And then run this one. Okay, we want the pathology database. It's the same file. And now we're gonna actually we'll read in since we're in this. Manual added size. Copied and pasted it into this folder and opened the pathology database file. We're using pathology and the top genes summaries. Let's add some chunks. Let's go ahead and read in top genes. I believe it's 44. Okay. We'll go ahead and copy this. Control-Z copy. Control-V paste. Okay. So let's go ahead and the first one. We want the gene ID because we're just adding it to the pathology database. And then the ASD group, the ensemble lady, and then the full change values. Oh. So this one doesn't have the full change values. We'll just merge it with, actually, let's just run all. I'm not going to go on that site right now and look up anything. They blocked me off of it for a little bit, but I'll just clear my cache because that worked last time. So let's just run all of this code, but let's run all of it and just wait. Because we need those full change values. They're not in there. Okay, so the first 20 are mile, and then the next 20 are language, and the next are savant. See if we can get these by the gene bank accession. All top genes, merge with top genes 44. The script. Okay, so let's go ahead and top left join, I think it was. Okay. Data successful 44 merge. Okay. All top genes 60, top genes 44. Dot x equals y dot y equals dot x equals true. Right, okay. And name is GBACC. And the other one is also GBACC. I think we could just do by dot x. Sorry. See if that works. GBACC. Let's see the gene ID. Oh, dang. So, yeah, let's not use all the columns. So we'll go ahead and limit that because there's 252 columns now. All right. Merge all top genes. Column with all top genes. Console. Okay. So we're going to use. Okay. 18, 19, 120 to 130. Yeah, that's all we need. We don't need these other ones. So 120 to 1. A spot ID either. 120 to 130. Column. Actually, let's just do 128. Yep. 129 and then 130. And then for top genes, 40. 44. Gene size for sure. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 6. 2 columns. Gene bank accession, 70 entries. ID, we don't need the ID column either. We also don't need this spot with this, so that's fine. All right, we'll just keep the ASD group because when we made the 40 all top genes 44, we just took the unique ones. Well, actually, we'll just take the autism type. And then we don't need duplicates though. See? Okay. We'll just do the structure first. There's 13 and A's there. We can get rid of the 20 gene ID NAs too. Let's just do that. Okay. So D is 64. 44. Not is dot NA. 44. I. Gene ID. Sorry. Data 60. NAs. There's no GB accession number. Summary. All right, let's look at this. Let's filter this. So that the autism type is equal to the ASD group. Okay, we're gonna do data 60. For ASD group, equal to data 60 for non-ASD. The pup's still in heat and they're going crazy. All right, so there's 42 now. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and just take one of those. We'll take the gene ID. So it's the last 1, 2, 3. And then we'll take the full changes. And the GB. We don't need this to add it to the pathology database. So we'll just do that. Okay. Okay. Data code. And we'll keep 2 and skip 9. And then we'll take 11 through 14. Okay. Okay, let's. Oh, it's not good then. Okay. So we just want to change that's relative to the group. So we're gonna have to separate it out. I'm just gonna call this G, and then you see D cat pathology bias D group identically equal to mild. Oh, let's call it mild. Oh, shoot. Mild. One. Oh, savant. I'm just copy and paste this one. It changes to savant. And change this one to language. Okay. Okay, so then in the mild one, let's call it mild 2. We just want the full change for the mild. This is going to pathology, so we actually don't even need the mean. So let's do column names. Mild 1. Alright, and it'll be mild 1. Full change in what's 4, 5, 6. 6 column. The 8th column. And then the gene. Let's just keep 8 to 11. And then savant 2 and savant 1. And it'll be the full change for savant, which is 7 through 11. Okay, that. And then the language 1. And that will be the full change for language, which is 5, and then 8 through 11. And run that. And then for the column names, okay, so let's just do structure. Mild 2. Okay, let's look at the column names of pathology. That one, okay. Column names of mild 2. That will be FC pathology control. gene pathology. We'll just keep it as gene summaries. Alright, and then for the top gene pathology, let's go ahead and say gene pathology. Okay, let's copy this and then do that to the other one. So columns 2. To find top gene. Select autism. Okay. The language one. They have to be separate. I can't have more puppies. They're uncontrollable. They're really strong. They love me other than run me over. They're trying to rape little honey. I can't have that happen. She's a good girl. And then language 2, 1, language. Looks good. Okay, let's just combine these and then change them into the oh, actually, while we're here, let's just do it individually while we're at it. All right, so okay. So we're gonna go ahead and I need to add more chunks too. But for this one, I'll go ahead and rearrange. So mild 3, mild 2, rearrange the columns so that we get ensemble ID as the first one. So that's gonna be 4th column. And the gene cards ID, which is the 2nd column. And the top gene pathology, which is the 3rd column. Then we need, okay, then we need the, all right. So it's ensemble ID, which is the 4th one. Then the gene cardity 2nd one. FC pathology control is the 3rd one, so that'll be the 1st one. And then we need to get top gene pathology, that will be the 3rd one. And then we'll also need the media type study summarized and GSE study ID. So I want to keep the gene summary, but I didn't do it for the other one, so we'll not keep that one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's only 4. We'll go ahead and keep that one, the 5 gene. Imposting. I feel like we should though. Paste it there. It'll be at the end. Or you can paste it not in any of the IDs. Maybe we'll make it the meat. I don't know. Study summaries. We'll just do that. We'll keep it for now, but we're gonna paste it there to the probably the study summaries for the media type or the top gene pathology. Okay, we're just gonna have to omit it. That's too bad, really. Okay, I'll omit it. Savant 3, Savant 2, C 4, 2, 1, 3, language 3. Okay, but then we're gonna need model 3 by PDMC. Model 3 study summarized. Autism. Healthy patients and mild. This group is mild. 2004. Of the mean of mild And then wildly by GSE study ID GSE 95402. Okay, and then I'll just isn't of semblance. Semblance. And then we still have it in our clipboard, so we'll control V paste. And we also got to change that other name. Okay, now we can run it. All these though and see. Looking for little points. Now I'll go ahead and combine it. There's 42 genes. Some of them might be duplicates from other ones. Yeah. Okay, so our gene summaries or our study summaries was pretty small. So let's go ahead and make this a paste. I think it is paste multi by gene summaries. Okay. Okay, okay. separator. Equals. Alright, I think I can do that. If not, it'll just be an error. I think I can. Alright, yeah, that works. Yeah, so it takes it from there. Let's just do it individually. Some of these might just be wrong because I had that problem. Into gene cards, and if you're in it too long, it just gives you nothing. It gives you like some placeholder that's big, not descriptive, informative, but we'll just keep it like that. All chunks below. Now let's see. Alright, go to the last one. Did we put, okay. Let's just make sure that's right. Okay. Lymphoblastoid cell lines. Oh, these are actually lymphoblastoid cell lines. Okay. These lymphoblastoids online, so we gotta go change that. Hold on. Lymphoblastoid cell or both. It is in there. Let's control C. I like control V case. Okay, run all treats. Okay, now we'll go ahead and write this out. Use data folder. See if we already have it saved. Yeah, it's this one. So it's the regular path. Pathologies, data. Okay. This is our pathology data. Oops. Oh. Pathology. Warning equals false. And then let's write this. Let's knit it in. If it republishes it, if it publishes it again. All right, and then we're going to go into Tableau after this. I'm going to have to change the entire pathology database, and it will be a while. So, I have to publish the whole thing. It keeps making me publish the whole thing. I'll just do that anyways. Nothing special. Now when you go into my archives, this is not going to be one of my outstanding projects, but this is the way people know. It's not really anything special, I'm just documenting this. Not that anyone would, but let's see. So I'll link in the details. And then I'll go ahead and add it to Google Sheets. Let's go ahead and here. Save it and then we're going to republish it. Publish it. And it did a bunch. It's kicked me out of NCBI. It's okay. I'm just gonna clear my cache. It keeps saying publish. It doesn't let me republish it anymore. I think it's because the biocontact isn't there. This is retarded. I'm not gonna go ahead and publish that. I don't know why it doesn't ask me that, because it always does save it anyway. Alright, now we're gonna go to latest version. Oh, when you have a pack of fucking dogs, they do not help anxiety. They give you anxiety. They're not wild, they're just spoiled. They're not listening. I love them, but they are just not. They're cool pugs. I love them. I'm gonna trade them for anything, but this really fucking sucks when they get like this. Okay, so let's go and add. Okay, we gotta go to the data source. I clicked on it, but I'm not sure if it's processing or if I have to click on it again. I'll click on it again. Let me see if it does, because last time it did actually do it right. So let's see if it does it this time. It just kept the name though. It didn't change the name. That's that one. Okay, let's go to the pathology sheet. Clicked on it. Let me see. Okay, that's probably. Whole night though, just coming home. Last few days. Let's see if it has. Nothing's in order. It just. I think it's ordering by ensemble ID. Let's see if we see anything for autism. Doesn't look like it. I'm not seeing anything for it, so. Data source. Connection. Because then I can't go into this bottom one. I don't know how to shrink this either. It's not really. Pathology database. Let's copy this one. Yeah, we did. It was the same name, so we'll just. I'm not sure. Your data source. So we just. That. Is that one? Okay. Yeah. No, we don't like it. Okay. There's so many in this one. Let me just see if I could just do a new one. I'm just adding these in a separate one because it's not letting me access the other file. This one might be I'm just gonna leave those. There's only 27 rows. Actually, let's remove this one. I'll have to make a new sheet. ensemble. Key. So let's get rid of that one. Let's make another sheet. Yeah. I don't want to add all the samples. I'm just gonna add the because we can't even add them all first. Other ones, so I'm just gonna do the healthy mean. Oh, let's add the full change first. Cut it out. Cut it out, dude. Stop. Alright, now let's add the Lyme disease one. June. Cute versus 6. Ugh. Cute Lyme disease. Let's put the healthy one first. Healthy. Healthy. Antibodies 1 month. Now I'll make another sheet, and this one will be autism. Got the I don't know, Lyme disease. Oh, we don't have the fibromyalgia. Did I do the wrong one? Hold on. I don't remember. Oh, yes. Okay, so fibromyalgia, this is the wrong one. The fibromyalgia was a lot. Oh, wait. So for the UL one, I did it wrong. This one's the fibromyalgia. Okay, this is UL. Oh my, oh my. Okay. And then let's change this one. This one is fibromyalgia. Myalgia. I'm just adding in. It was a study on white and black females. At risk means the tissue near the fibroid, and then the fibroid is the tissue, and the normal is a totally, completely different person. It's uterus, all uterine tissue. And there's 3 samples of each in each group. He's so temper tantrum. He refuses to do anything for anybody but himself. It's so annoying. I love him. He's a sweetheart. When he's like this, he just doesn't even listen. Oh my god. Can't separate him because he's a little bitch and he makes noise. Can't keep him together because he's gonna do whatever he wants. Sammy and him want to kill each other. Him and Detroit want to kill each other. But not as bad as him and Sammy. Sammy and Detroit want to kill each other. So I have to keep them separated. I'm gonna have a stroke or a heart attack, dude. They're fucking really getting on my fucking nerves, dude. I seriously want to hit him over the head. I can't. He's really getting on my nerves, though. He won't shut the fuck up. I can like feel the anxiety in my back. It just keeps getting worse. Worse every time he opens his fucking loud mouth. Yes. Stomped on my foot when I let her into the bathroom this morning. I almost broke my meditation. Everyone has a reason to believe one way of doing things and refuse another. So they try it and everyone can try it and say, yeah, that's alright. Well, I refuse to tell you that. Okay, so we got the yield, the Lyme disease, fibromyalgia. We just need the autism one now. We didn't load it in, so let's go do that. Go back to the data source. And then we're going to add it as a text file. The autism one. Symbols. Let me see. These gene IDs. I just want a large one because we don't have the top genes actually in this data right here. Autism genes. Symbols. So we didn't add the NA ones. That would have been fine also. Let's go back to that one. Because I do want to add it. I don't like this because I'll have to re-add it over this one. It just gives problems. Let's go back in here. Which one is that? Oh. Just run all of it. All right. Look where the merge is. Is it? There's some NAs, but there are actually in the data too. There are some with an ID there. I want to use this one. Let's write data 2 out. CSV. Data all CSV. Names. And we'll just write that out real quick. One set to line in this folder. But then let's also set the path to here and write it there. So we'll write it in our pathologies. Oh, actually, that's not where I wanted to write it to, but that's fine. No, I guess not. where? Oh, maybe it did get written here. I did. Okay, so it got written here. All right, that's what we're using. Other one. Let's close this one. No. Back to this one. What's going on here? All right, yes, that's only one. Good, so we don't have to see the entire thing. All right, now let's add that text file. This one. And we'll add it here. Idea. Let's gonna go ahead and do that unless we do. Let's go to this one. The sheet autism. It does. It'll keep them, but then it'll keep the NAs also. Or I guess not. All right, gene bank accession over. We'll do the full change. So not healthy. He's got water, temperature's fine. He's just freaking wants to get at this honey. It's a big crybaby. So we'll just move this. We'll add this at the end. Mm-hmm. Okay, so dashboard. This will be non-ED. Pathology. Let's see if it fits dashboard. Very good. And then we'll just make it as large as we can. I'll just do like that. And then go ahead and go to the sheet. Let's go ahead and add this here. Leave it down there. Let's make this gene code smaller. All right. Now let's add the ensemble key. Make it floating. Add it below. Let's make these filters. Use as filter. This filter. And then let's add the fibromyalgia. Let's move it here. Let's have Lyme disease one. Then we'll add the uterine glioma one. Now we'll add the autism one. Yeah, let's go to the autism. Accession IV more towards the front. Let's add some text. non data in wait, non okay. Epstein virus, the pathology comparison to pathologies under control. Excellent. And key. Let's see how large it gets. I guess loading. So oh, here we go. Not that big. I think the description on that one. So you don't want, but there's nothing in sample except there's actually nothing in it for that one. Nothing there. I should have showed in the autism one because it's in the autism database, but we didn't add the top genes. So we got to add the top genes doesn't include gene and none. Okay. Let's see. Uter fiber. And the fibromyalgia, good. And it connects to this one as well, right there. All right, perfect. So we'll go ahead and export this. And then we'll upload it. Export package workbook. We're going to be non-EBV associated dashboard 1. May 18th, 2006. Okay. We'll save it. And then we'll cancel. So apparently it's the same thing, save or export. Export it, you save it, but then that seems odd. Compared to non. Out! Get out! Out! Get out, Sammy! Okay, good. So it looks like it's working. I'll go ahead and share this. And we'll put it in the details. Alright. Perfect. Alright, well, that's it for today. But let's just look to see. Fill that negative space. It doesn't, in the public version though, it doesn't allow me to fill it up in here. Because I won't be able to scroll. Wait, alright, but let's look and see. Okay, we can see some uterine glioma and Lyme disease share a gene in common in their data sets. So does the fibromyalgia and their pathologies. Carcinoma gene. Glioma. We can go to let's use this gene, multiple sclerosis, seen in fibromyalgia and uterine glioma. Okay. Underexpressed in uterine leiomyoma, overexpressed in fibromyalgia. It's a multiple sclerosis gene. So that could be useful, right? Okay, cool. So I'll go ahead and call it a day. You guys have a great day. Bye.